The MT4 Portfolio Tester lets you easily analyze your strategy and evaluate your portfolio. You'll be able to automate your testing across multiple EAs, symbols, and timeframes, and find the most profitable combinations without having to initiate the tests yourself in MT4. The workflow of the Portfolio Tester is split into 4 main parts. First, in the MT4 folder section, you select the location of your MT4 installation folder and specify whether you're running MT4 in portable mode or not. Then, in the test settings section, you set the backtesting settings such as start date, end date, and test mode for your tests, which all match the options in MT4 Strategy Tester. You also set the output settings for your results. Next, in the test runs section, you set the EAs you'd like to test, their presets, and the symbols and timeframes you want to test for. You can define as many tests as you'd like before finally clicking Run Test. Now let's start an example project and walk through the steps to run some tests. First, your installation folder has to be set to the location of your MT4 installation. The portable mode checkbox should be checked in the case that you're running MT4 in portable mode. Next up, you set the start and end date for the tests using the convenient calendar. The test mode defines the granularity of the backtest. The options match those in MT4. The output folder defines the location where the overall test results will be saved. The CSV file name sets the name of the output CSV file. If Copy HTML Reports is enabled, then the HTML reports generated by MT4 for every individual test run will be saved to the same folder as the results file. If enabled, the Delete Temp Data checkbox will ensure that all market data downloaded for the tests will be deleted once the tests are complete, if hard drive space is an issue, or if you don't want to save the tick data. Next up, in the test run section, we set up the tests themselves. To set up a test, you first select the desired EA and preset. You can also select to use the default parameters instead of a preset. Then, you select the symbols you'd like to test. You can also choose to select or unselect all. Portfolio Architect is a powerful portfolio analysis and optimization tool, which lets you import your strategy results from your trading platforms. You can start the test by hitting Run Test, manage them in portfolios, you can continue to add as many more tests as you'd like. We'll add one more test, the moving average
For a more
EA
detailed
with a different
explanation
preset.
of Portfolio Architect,
You can
please
also
check out
set
the
the
link in the
delimiter character
description.
in your output CSV depending on your needs. A comma is used for the US output format, and a semicolon is used otherwise. Finally, we click Run Test. While the test is running, we have the option to skip the current test, cancel the portfolio test as a whole, or close the test window. With the test complete, we can now see the results of all of our individual test runs and identify the best combinations of preset, symbol, and timeframe for our EA. While our EA generally had less than promising results, we can export our results to Portfolio Architect and look for ways to optimize our strategy. Portfolio Architect is a powerful portfolio analysis and optimization tool which lets you import your strategy results from your trading platforms, manage them in portfolios, and optimize them with innovative features. For example, analyzing the hourly performance of our strategy, we can see it generally performs best when taking trades around noon. We can then simulate our portfolio's performance if we were only to trade during these hours. As we can see, we drastically improved our results and may have gained a valuable insight that can improve our trading approach. For a more detailed explanation of Portfolio Architect, please check out the link in the description. The results for every individual test run are saved to the CSV file in your output folder. If you chose to copy MT4's HTML reports, they'll be found in this folder as well. In the output CSV, we can see the results for every test run. We can view their parameters and performance metrics like P&L, drawdown, profit factor, and trades taken. Thank you so much for watching and being a part of our community of traders.